I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enhance your Magento security with two-factor authentication, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into Admin Panel. Access your Magento admin panel by entering your admin URL and logging in with your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. In the admin panel, go to Stars Configuration Security. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the two-factor authentication section and set the option to Enabled. This activates the feature for your account. Step 4. Configure authentication methods. Choose your preferred authentication methods such as SMS or Authenticator apps. Make sure to follow the prompts to set them up correctly. Step 5. Save configuration. After making your changes, click the Save Config button to apply the new settings. Don't forget to log out and test the two-factor authentication to ensure it works properly. Remember, if you choose SMS, ensure your phone number is correct in the settings to avoid any issues receiving codes. Happy securing your Magento store.